Cześć! I am Paulina from Polski Daily, and in this class you're going to learn the most basic Polish question words. Are you ready? Question word number 1. Co? Co to jest? Co to jest? 2. Kto? Kto to jest? Kto to jest? These two words are asking for the subject of the sentence, so the doer of the action. And they will change their forms depending if you're asking for the indirect object, direct object, and so on, because in Polish we have cases, and they will just not stay the same. The third question word is czy. Czy to jest twój samochód? Czy to jest twój samochód? This question word helps you ask yes-no questions, but you don't have to use it. You can just simply ask, to jest twój samochód? To jest twój samochód? Question word number 4. Gdzie? Gdzie? Gdzie jesteś? Gdzie jesteś? And number 5. Kiedy? Kiedy? Kiedy mamy lekcję? Kiedy mamy lekcję? And the last question word in today's lesson is jak. Jak. Jak leci? Jak leci? Jak się nazywasz? Jak się nazywasz? I hope that you liked today's lesson and it was not too complicated for you. If you did, click like and of course subscribe to my channel because more classes, more lessons are coming. Do zobaczenia!